Good morning, sunshine, and welcome to the channel. I have a bunch of stuff today from Carson Dellosa, and I wanted to open them up with you guys and share them with you. Links to all of these will be in the description below, as well as a discount code that was given to me to share with you guys for a limited time. And we're gonna open them up and take a look at them. They are great for social emotional skill and some bingo games, some challenges, things like that. Let's take a look at each one separately and more resources to the channel. Please do subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and if you are a mom of a little one, a homeschooler, an online schooler, or anything education, we do try to cover that on here. Also in the description below, you'll find chapters so you can go straight to the product that you do want to check out. So let's take a look first at the Center Solutions Social Skills here. It is from pre-K to grade 2 here, and it is for special learners. It comes in this nice box over here, and it is perfect for centers and learning stations, or if you have at home, you need this. This is great too. Targeted remediation, social problem solving, emotional recognition, and management. And this box is to display also the stuff in it and keep them safe. You get all your cards right in here. Hope I didn't rip any papers. And right in here. So this is basically just information about it, and you can put the student's name right here and all the things that you need to cover in here. My manners, training together, maybe a game and checklist when they practiced that skill would go right in here. And this is the directions how to use this game. And then it comes with these little games, each one of them. The directions match each object to the correct picture. So each one gives you a direction in here, and then the actual game that they need to play right inside. And these are them right here. So be kind. Also, you have an answer key in here. Making good choices, complimenting others, being responsible, dealing with feelings, feeling better, the story order, playing well with others, being respectful, staying on task, helping them master those skills that they need for everyday life, hygiene, having a conversation. So these are all great when you need to give that child just a little more attention and a little more direction in what they're doing. And over here, we have the Calm Down Kit from Carson Dellosa here. It's a toolkit to help your kids regulate their emotions when they're unable to. This is for all grades, ages 5+, great for classrooms or at home. And let's take a look inside exactly what comes in this toolkit here. So when you open it up, you're going to find a little rubbery thing where it's good for their sensory to kind of get the fidget out. There is a Velcro piece in here, and then there's this wheel here that talks about their 5 emotions, from angry to afraid to sad, all the different emotions that they may be feeling and what they are and what they feel inside when they are feeling that emotion, so they can learn about their mood and learn how to manage their moods better here. And then you get these cards in here. The first thing you're going to find in there is, again, the emotions, the 6 different emotions, and tell them how they feel and kind of assigning different colors to them. So it comes with the 5-point anxiety scale. Now, in this 5-point anxiety scale, what you're going to see is the different feelings and how they can make healthy choices so they can regulate that emotion. Like when they are feeling out of control, I can go to my calming place until I cool off. That'll help them get through things. And then each one of those cards is practicing different kinds of calming skills. Take 5 calming breaths, give yourself a big hug, what you feel upset about. Different cards just go through different kind of calming skills to help them regulate their emotions. And we have here the calming strategies, be clever whenever. This set over here is made for all grades, and it's by Carson Dellosa. And it's basically teaching the kids how to calm themselves when they feel like they're emotionally overwhelmed. They have calming breathing exercises on there: cuddle with a stuffed animal, walk it off, squeeze a ball, draw a picture. So different exercises they can do in order to actually calm down when they're feeling overwhelmed. This is a great set to hang up in your classroom or your home if you need to, or any kind of center where the kids kind of need a little help regulating their emotions. This works great here. Great cards. Definitely a thumbs up on these. This over here is the Carson Dellosa Seasonal STEM Challengings Learning Card Kit here. And it is perfect for the classroom or the home, online school. Whether you homeschool or you need it for the classroom, it's perfect for any of that. It says on there that it is great for grades 2 to 5, but in all honesty, you can use it past 5th grade or before 2nd grade, depending on the child's abilities in here. So this one here concentrate on the seasons and frankly teaching them about the season with hands-on experiences and hands-on challenges and projects that they can do. Each card is going to hold different information on it, telling them exactly what they need to do, giving them a little hint on there, showing them what products they need to use, and having a step-by-step guide right on there. These are great use and a great way to teach the kids hands-on without them having to just learn it through listening to it. This is their hands-on experience, which is a great way to teach them. I think this is a great product here, and frankly, they have the seasonal one as well as the regular one that concentrates more on life science and things like that, and we are going to review that one next. So this is definitely great for them, and frankly, a great teaching tool. And what's better than a bingo game, than a learning bingo game? This is from Carson Dellosa, and this is the Sight Words 2 bingo game. So you have 2 bingo games in one. You have 2 sides of the languages. One is, I guess, a little bit more advanced than the other. You start out with their first sight words, then you move on to the next one. And they come, since they are 2-sided, the green and the pink, you follow the directions on those. They come with the little stickers that you put right on the bingo when you call out the word. You have the cards over there where you call out the words for each one of them, and then there's the big board with all the words right on them. So they all come, I think there's about 36 cards in there, 2-sided, so there's a lot. And the way you play it is you call out the word and they mark off the word on their board, and whoever gets the first line wins. It's just a perfect way for them to learn their sight words while having fun at the same time. Love it.